A Christian family should believe in triangle. That's the aim, that's the goal. I'll keep it 100. I wish that was my story. But you know, we fell down, but we got up. Right. All things are passed away, and behold, all things become new. So I was really, you know, kind of telling y'all my business. Yes, we do stand by that belief. We believe that God's way and what the Bible outlines as holy living is what we all should do. And if you have failed at that, that's not something that you publicize or compromise or, you know, again, fall down but get back up. But God's way is the best way, and to the best of our ability, we try to align our lives with what the Bible has established as the standard of godly living.
And one thing I appreciate about you too, every time you come up to the station, you've always been transparent and just tell the truth. And we appreciate that. They don't sugarcoat it, they give you the truth. All right, Mr. Microphone Man, I guess you pick someone else.